Here's your key fob for your Ford Escape. First thing we'll do is get the physical key out of the key fob. So press right there and pull the key out. Now right over there in that slot, you'll put the physical key and get it in there properly and then give it a firm twist. So that's going to pry this cover open. Get it in there, firm twist. You may have to do this a couple times before you get it right. Once the cover opens up partially, go around the edge and then do it one more time. And this is going to open up the cover completely. Now set it aside, and to get the battery out, put the key right over there and then pry the battery out. It may take a few seconds to get the battery out, so be patient, but it'll come out eventually. The battery size is CR2032 and the positive side is marked with the plus sign, negative has no markings. Check the link in the description to buy the new battery from Amazon, and when you put the new battery in, you have to put it with the negative side facing upwards. Get it in place, press it down. Now just put this cover back on with the rest of the key and then press it together. That is looking good. Don't forget to put the physical key back in place, and now let's go ahead and try this out. Unlock is working fine. Let's try lock. That's working fine as well. That's it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.